Hey guys, this is my first time trying to film anything in the new house, the new space. It is not completely put together, but I do have my vanity and some bookshelves behind me somewhat done. So I figured I would do kind of like a mini PR haul at the new house. These are packages that have come to our new house, which is very exciting. However, very frustrating. UPS and FedEx have been leaving packages all over the place. At our previous house, I was used to them bringing them to the door. Never had an issue. At our new house, we have a decent sized driveway, and it is on a slight incline, and so far packages have been left by the street, hanging from our mailbox flag. They've been left in the snow, in the grass. They've been left in front of our garage door, but none have made it to our front door at all. So I don't know if this is typical for houses that have driveways versus like little tiny, a small distance to the street. So I don't know if you guys have that experience, but I figured I would do a small PR haul and figure out how the lighting works and everything in the new house. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I've received as PR at the new location, then just keep watching. And forgive the nails, I have not had a chance to repaint them. They look horrible. You can tell that I've been very stressed lately with the move and my son's surgery, so forgive me. All right, first off are some products from OGX. This is the Refreshing Scalp and Tea Tree Mint line. I have the shampoo, the conditioner, and the scalp treatment. It says indulge in a burst of freshness with this blend infused with tea tree oil, peppermint, and witch hazel. Invigorate your senses with a minty tingle and discover hair that is shiny and healthy looking. I definitely need that. My hair is very dry. Winter is taking its toll, so very excited to try this. Next is the package that came today from Maybelline. I received their Lash Sensational Curvitude Mascara. I love the original Lash Sensational Mascara, so I'm hoping this one's amazing. And also the Colossal Big Shot Tinted Primer. I believe it's black. Yeah, Lash Intensifying Black Fiber Formula. I've been loving the Maybelline and Gigi Hadid Fiber Mascara, so a fiber primer sounds pretty good to me. Maybelline also is releasing new colors in their Instant Age Rewind concealers. So they sent me a handful of the concealers, which I absolutely love, and the Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. So if anyone is interested in seeing a video on how this works, I'm very curious to try it. So here they are. Next, I received a few hair care products from Joico. They've sent me things in the past, and I've really been enjoying them. I think I've used up almost all of the Blonde shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. They're really good. They sent me the Joico K-Pack Protect and Shine Serum. I do use heat several times a week on my hair, so it's nice to have like a protector for my hair so that it doesn't dry it out even more than it already is. They also sent the Blowout Perfecting Cream. Awesome, because like I said, I use a hairdryer often. And this Luster Lock Instant Shine and Repair Treatment. Apply to clean, damp hair, massage through two ends, and leave in 3 to 5 minutes and rinse. So it sounds like it's like an in-shower hair treatment. But Luster Lock sounds nice. Sounds like my hair is going to be shiny and beautiful, so definitely like those things. Next is a box from IT Cosmetics. I love getting IT Cosmetics packages. They're always fun and really great quality. So I received the limited edition It Girl Your Life Changing Eye and Cheek Palette. It was like the holiday palette. It has like the crystal front to it. It's beautiful. I can't wait to try this. Inside it looks like you get these colors right here. So I'm very excited to try that. I haven't had a new palette to play with in a couple weeks, so that'll be fun. I finally got my hands on the Secret Sauce, the Clinically Advanced Miraculous Anti-Aging Moisturizer. I'm 34, guys. I need the anti-aging things now. I can't believe that. Someone told me that at age 20, your skin starts to show signs of age. So in your 20s, definitely use those anti-aging moisturizers and products. Definitely 30 and beyond because it starts to show. Just saying. So excited to try that. One of my all-time favorite mascaras. They sent me a refill. This is the Superhero Mascara. I love this one. It's in my top 5 easily. It is so good at giving you length, which I love. I mean, it's amazing. If you guys haven't tried this, I highly recommend it. They sent me some Vitality Lip Flush stains and glosses. I have never tried their stains or their glosses, so I am curious to see how they work. It says that they have anti-aging collagen, peptides, hyaluronic acid, plum oil, cherry oil, shea butter, avocado oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, and antioxidants. This is the stain. Then we have a gloss, a serum gloss, and a serum gloss. Oh, this is their new blue one. It's supposed to make your teeth look whiter. I wonder. Oh, it's like a shimmery light blue. Interesting. Maybe we'll try that at the end. All right, we also have, what else is in here? Oh my. We have Bye Bye Under Eye Eye Lift in a tube, dual-ended full coverage anti-aging concealer and brightener, and I have light and medium. Great. I have a few of their blurred line lipsticks. I have Brave and Daring. These are beautiful. They glide on so smoothly. They sent me the Tight Line 3-in-1 Black Primer, Eyeliner, and Mascara. This might be a good Try It Tuesday product. What do you guys think? 3-in-1? Interesting. And the Brow Power Pomade Instant Lift, Tame and Sculpt Waterproof Brow Gel and Universal. I do like their brow products, so awesome. And the last product for today is from Chapstick. My lips have been so dry since the move. When I'm concentrating, I'm always licking my lips and it dried them out, and it's just been horrible. My lips have not recovered from the move and the cold weather we moved in. So Chapstick was nice enough to send me a PR package full of some of their new lip products. In this little sachet, we have the Chapstick Total Hydration 3-in-1 Lip Care. Moisturizes, renews, and transforms, and they have fun fragrances like cool peppermint, eucalyptus mint. I believe they have an orange. They have blood orange. They have fresh citrus, a whole bunch of fun fragrances. And then in the other bag, it looks like they came out with 2 lip scrubs. Oh, okay. There's Sugar Plum and Fresh Peppermint. We definitely use that. And then they also have a line of Moisture Plus Tint. So it's a hint of color, but it's also hydrating. This is what they look like. They have a handful of tints to try, so this is awesome. My husband was bummed that he couldn't use these though because he doesn't want colored lips. So I am very grateful to Chapstick for sending these over because I know I could definitely use extra hydration and extra lip care this month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this small PR haul at the new house. Stay tuned for more videos posting in the new beauty space as I get it all worked out and finished. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me as I've been a little sparse on videos lately as we've been moving in and unpacking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.